to DIY Solar Homestead. I got some updates coming in. I got to let you know. And I got 5 new peppers off this indoor garden. If you're new to the channel, please click on subscribe and click that little bell, and you'll see all the really awesome videos I'm going to have coming out real soon. Tuesday, as a matter of fact, I've done web design for 8 years in social marketing. I'm no longer in that business, but the skills that I have learned to grow the YouTube channel with is spectacular. I'm going to air that Tuesday at 5, just to let you know. But yeah, here, a little update. Hidden Harvest Grow Lights, he let me know, Brad. I got 5 of his lights. I don't know if you can see that. Let me spin you around. Spectrum of the sun, better than the cheap purple ones. So anyway, with his ideas, I got these pepper plants to come in because I didn't know anything about self-pollination. You can see those 2 right there. They're getting in there. Look at that. It's beautiful. So he let me know to get a fan in here and self-pollinate. As you can see, I think you can see all the flowers on there. Oh, what is that? Yeah, there's 5. 5. There's one back there coming in. There's 5. So that's 7 peppers. Plus, I'm getting ready to have a little lettuce. There's some red lettuce back there. I want to top that. And some kale. I want to get some of that put on a salad. But I've been wanting to do this all along. Should I? These dishes aren't too deep, and I really have been curious. This is the 2nd tallest. I gotta do it. Nope, not much of a carrot there yet. I will replant that here in a minute. I was curious. This goji has lost goji berries, a superfruit. It's a superfood, just like the blueberries. It has lost its leaves like, I don't know, 3 to 5 times now, and fully restored. Thank goodness. This one here is really long. I'm going to go ahead and clip that back here somewhere. Take all the leaves off but 3, and I'm going to put that on the cloner. I'll wait a week or 2, and maybe I'll take one of these other ones, maybe wait 3, but they'll all be on a different stalk, so I don't hurt the plant. But anyway, Tuesday at 5, let me swing around. Tuesday at 5, you'll see an update on how to grow your YouTube channel on the digital side. It's really awesome. I gotta show you the cloner. So, you want to reach your audience all the way around the world. Look at the roots come in. Some I failed, and some of the black cherries didn't make it, and I got those from eBay. Water looks pretty good. It's been in there for a couple weeks. Whoopsie. So tune in, and hopefully you can double your audience in the next year with these amazing digital skills that I want to teach you guys. It's really, really cool. Tuesday at 5. I'll see you then, and have a nice sunny day.